Most people are playing with AI. High earners are deploying it. If you have been trying to set up your own autonomous AI agents but got stuck in a nightmare of Docker containers, terminal commands, and broken API keys, then stop what you are doing. Today, we are looking at a system that claims to deploy a fully functional, secured, and pre-configured AI agent team in under 60 seconds, no tech skills required. Welcome to the app verdict review of InstantlyClaw. Here is the bottom line. InstantlyClaw is the first managed solution I've seen that actually makes the power of OpenClaw accessible to everyone. It takes a complex open source engine and puts it inside a safe cloud-hosted car that is ready to drive. If you want to run an AI agency or automate your own business without risking your local data, this is a must-have tool. InstantlyClaw is a cloud-based platform that deploys your own private instance of OpenClaw. For those who do not know, OpenClaw is the most hyped AI platform in the world right now because it actually does things. Unlike ChatGPT, which just talks, these agents plan, delegate, and execute tasks on their own. This is specifically for affiliate marketers, agency owners, and freelancers who want to sell high-ticket services like competitor research, lead generation, and content creation without doing the manual labor themselves. It solves the biggest objection in the industry. You do not need to be a coder to run elite AI.
Watch this. I'm inside my InstantlyClaw dashboard right now. Step 1, deploy your OpenClaw in one click. I press deploy, 60 seconds, fully hosted, fully secured OpenClaw running on our cloud servers, not on my laptop, not on a Mac Mini, our cloud. Done. Step 2, give it a real task. Now watch something no chatbot on the planet can do. Find 10 restaurants in Miami with under 4-star Google ratings. Pull their name, address, phone, and review link. Write a personalized reputation management pitch email for each one with a one-page PDF proposal attached. Then email each restaurant the pitch with the proposal. One message. That's it. Watch what happens. Step 3. Look at the results. Look at this. 10 real businesses with real contact info pulled from live websites. Personalized pitch emails referencing each restaurant's actual rating. A professional PDF proposal. And every email already sent to each restaurant with the proposal attached. That's a complete outreach campaign. Agencies charge $500 to $1,500 for that. OpenClaw did it from one sentence. Now try that with ChatGPT. Try Claude. They can't browse live websites, pull real business data, create PDFs, or send real emails. That's what makes OpenClaw a completely different category, and that's what InstantlyClaw gives you. And it doesn't stop there. Here's what you can build with your OpenClaw today. Content agency, $500 to $2,000 per month. Lead generation and outreach, $50 to $200 per list. Competitor intelligence reports, $500 to $1,500 each. Reputation management, $300 to $800 per month. SEO audits, $200 to $500 on Fiverr. Freelance fulfillment. OpenClaw handles the work. You deliver and collect. Quick math. 3 clients at $500 per month is $18,000 a year. 5 clients is $30,000. Your investment today, $37. Let me walk you through everything loaded inside your InstantlyClaw. Your OpenClaw is fully hosted. You don't touch a thing. One click and it's running on our cloud servers 24/7. No VPS, no Docker, no terminal, no Mac Mini. Other providers charge $72 to $300 per year for a blank install. Yours is included free, fully loaded, completely isolated and safe. Your OpenClaw runs in a sandboxed cloud container. Zero access to your personal computer, files, email, or bank accounts. Confirm before acting is on by default. It asks permission before sending emails, posting content, or taking any irreversible action. No rogue AI, no horror stories. You're always in control. Research and web tools, browser control for browsing live websites and pulling real data, real-time web search, social media monitoring, SEO research for rankings and audits. Communication tools, Gmail for sending and managing emails automatically, Google Calendar for scheduling, Voice Agent for speech to text on WhatsApp, content and document tools, Google Docs and Sheets for report, a PDF creator for proposals and lead magnets, screenshot and OCR for extracting text from images, automation tools, cron jobs for running any task on autopilot, webhooks for connecting to Zapier, Make, and N8, and link tracker for campaign performance. Super memory ties it all together. Your OpenClaw remembers your business, your clients, your brand voice, and gets smarter over time. Chat on Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord, or use the full web dashboard. Your OpenClaw, your way, commercial rights included. Everything it produces is yours to sell. Client work, freelance gigs, monthly retainers, every output, 100% yours. Now, having a powerful OpenClaw is one thing. Knowing exactly how to turn it into money is another. That's why you're also getting my AI Agent Profits Bootcamp alongside InstantlyClaw, the exact playbook for landing your first paying client, how to give instructions that produce client-ready output, how to price services, how to close deals, paint by numbers. On top of that, 5 bonuses worth $75. 10 ready-made business prompts, packs with tested prompts and pricing for the most profitable niches, a commercial rights certificate, private community access, and a first client in 7 days quick start blueprint. You're not getting software and figuring it out on your own. You're getting the complete system to turn OpenClaw into a real business. Here's what I need you to understand about this offer. After this launch, InstantlyClaw moves to a monthly subscription. That's how every other OpenClaw provider works. Monthly fees forever. During this launch window only, you get in for a one-time price, and that price rises every few hours to reward the fastest action takers. Let me put this in perspective. Setting up OpenClaw with a specialist costs $150 to $400 per hour. A custom AI agent system runs $5,000 to $100,000. Even the basic hosting wrappers charge $72 to $300 per year for an empty install with nothing configured. You're getting a fully loaded OpenClaw, 15 connected skills, 12 months of cloud hosting, 2 months of free API, smart model routing, commercial rights, the training bootcamp, and $785 in bonuses. Not $5,000, not $500, not $100, $37. One time, not monthly, not yearly. One single payment and it's yours forever. Now, let me address the thing you might be thinking. Abhi, this sounds too good. What's the catch? There's no catch. We make money on this launch because thousands of people buy and a percentage upgrade to our advanced options. That's the business model. Your $37 gets you the complete system because we want you inside using it, seeing results, and telling your friends. That's worth more to us than charging you $25 a month. But this pricing only exists during launch week. Once the timer hits 0, InstantlyClaw becomes a monthly subscription just like every other provider. And the one-time option disappears permanently and you're protected. 14-day, no questions, money back guarantee. Deploy your OpenClaw. Give it real tasks. Run a lead generation campaign. Set up a cron job. Try the prompt packs. Put it to work for yourself or for a client. If within 14 days you're not completely blown away by what OpenClaw can do for you, just reach out for a full refund. You keep the training, you keep the prompt packs, we eat the cost. That's how confident we are. You're risking nothing. The only way to lose on this deal is to miss it. One last thing, OpenClaw isn't a trend. Websites changed business in the 2000s, social media in the 2010s. AI chatbots in 2023. Agentic AI is the next wave, and OpenClaw is leading it. The people who move first always win. You've seen it happen. Right now, for $37 one time, you get a fully loaded OpenClaw deployed in 60 seconds. Skills connected, hosting for a year, API credits, commercial rights, training, bonuses, everything you need to profit from the biggest AI shift since ChatGPT. I'm not asking you to decide yes or no. I'm asking you to make a fully informed decision. And the only way to do that is on the inside, not the outside. Press the buy now button below before the price increases. I'll see you on the inside.
When you log into the InstantlyClaw dashboard, you will see how streamlined the process is. You simply click the launch button, and within a minute, your private server is live. You do not have to touch a single line of code. Inside the dashboard, you have a team of 9 pre-configured agents. You have a CEO, 3 department managers, and 5 specialist workers. They are already programmed to talk to each other. You also have 15 active skills ready to go, including web browsing, Google Docs integration, and SEO research. You can connect your instance to WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord. This means you can literally text your AI a command like find 20 dentists in Miami without a website and walk away. The AI goes out, does the research, and sends you a finished spreadsheet.
If you've been paying attention at all lately, you already know about OpenClaw. It's everywhere. YouTube, social media, the news. People are calling it the biggest thing in AI since ChatGPT. Mac Minis are selling out because people are buying them just to run it. And there's a reason. OpenClaw doesn't just write paragraphs and hope you figure out the rest. It browses live websites, sends real emails, creates real documents, runs entire workflows on autopilot. Right now, doctors are paying $2,000 a month to automate their front desk scheduling. Law firms are spending $3,000 a month on AI research assistants. Marketing agencies are charging $1,500 for reports that take OpenClaw 10 minutes to produce. This is happening right now, and the people who move first are the ones building real businesses around it. But here's what nobody talks about. 95% of people who want OpenClaw will never get it running. You fight with Docker and terminal commands all weekend and probably fail. Or you pay $25 a month for a hosting wrapper that gives you a blank install with nothing configured. Or you buy a course and still don't have a working system 2 weeks later. None of those give you a working, loaded, ready-to-profit OpenClaw. Sounds like a problem, but in this demo video, we're gonna show you the solution. InstantlyClaw, the world's first one-click hosted OpenClaw platform that gives you a fully loaded AI system with 15 connected skills and 9 pre-built AI agents. Deployed to the cloud and ready to work in 60 seconds flat. As you'll see, InstantlyClaw is super easy to grow any business with. Now, first, deploy your OpenClaw in one click. No servers to rent, no Docker to install, no terminal commands, no API keys to figure out. You click one button and your entire AI system goes live on our cloud servers in 60 seconds. While other people waste weekends fighting tutorials, yours is already running and ready to make you money. Next, your AI team is already built and waiting for you. You're not getting a blank install you have to figure out. You log in and you've got a complete team ready to handle content outreach, research, reporting, and client delivery. It's like hiring an entire company for the price of lunch. Then 15 professional skills are already connected. Browser control for pulling real data from live websites, Gmail for sending real emails to real prospects, Google Docs and Sheets for creating real deliverables, PDF Creator for building proposals you can sell to clients, SEO research, social media monitoring, webhooks, scheduled automations, and more, all installed, all active, zero configuration. Now give your AI team a task in plain English, open Telegram, and just type what you need. Find 10 dentists in Chicago and email them a marketing pitch. Write 5 blog posts for my affiliate site. Create a competitor report every Monday. 1 sentence in, finished business, output out. Your agents handle the rest. And finally, set it and forget it with autopilot. Schedule any task to repeat automatically. Weekly lead generation sweeps, daily content publishing, monthly client reports. Your OpenClaw runs whether you're at your desk or on vacation. Doctors, lawyers, real estate agents, restaurant owners, they're all paying $500 to $3,000 a month for exactly this kind of automation right now. Your OpenClaw does it while you sleep. Plus, commercial rights are included on everything. Every output your AI produces is yours to sell, deliver to clients, or use however you want. So let's get into the app in more detail now. First, log into the cloud-based dashboard. From here, you deploy your OpenClaw, manage your agents, view skills, check task history, and run everything without ever opening a terminal. Now let's deploy. Watch how simple this is. I click deploy. That's it. Watch the progress bar. Our servers are spinning up a fully secured, fully configured OpenClaw instance just for you. SSL certificate, firewall rules, security hardening, all applied automatically. And done. 60 seconds. Your OpenClaw is live, running 24/7 on our cloud. not on your laptop, not on a Mac Mini you have to keep plugged in. Our cloud servers always on. Check this out, your AI team is already loaded. 9 agents organized into a real company structure. CEO agent at the top coordinating everything. 3 department managers, 6 specialist workers. Each one has its own skills, its own memory, and gets smarter over time. You don't configure them, you don't train them, you just give them tasks and they deliver. Let me show you what I mean. Here's where it gets exciting. I'm going to give my AI team one task and show you what comes back. Find 10 Italian restaurants in Austin, Texas that have under 4 stars on Google. Pull their name, address, phone number, and review link. Write a personalized reputation management pitch for each one. Create a PDF proposal and email each restaurant the pitch with the proposal attached. One message, that's all I'm giving it. Watch what happens. Look at this. It's browsing live Google results right now, pulling real business data from actual websites, not making things up. Real names, real addresses, real phone number, real review scores. Now it's writing personalized pitch emails that reference each restaurant's actual rating and specific review issues. Every email is different because every restaurant is different. There's the PDF proposal being generated, professional, branded, ready to deliver. And now Gmail is sending each email with the proposal attached. Real emails to real businesses with real attachments. Done. That's a complete outreach campaign. Research, copywriting, document creation, and email delivery from one typed sentence. Think about who pays for this. Reputation management agencies charge restaurant owners $500 to $1,500 a month. Dental practices pay $800 to $2,000 a month for patient outreach. Law firms spend $3,000 a month on lead generation. Your OpenClaw just did one of these campaigns in minutes. Run this for 3 clients and you're looking at $1,500 to $4,500 a month. From a $37 investment, no chatbot can do this. ChatGPT can't browse live websites. Claude can't send real emails. That's what makes OpenClaw a completely different category. And that's what InstantlyClaw gives you, fully loaded from day one. Now let me show you something completely different. This one's for anyone who wants passive income from content. Research the top 10 home renovation trends right now. Find real statistics and expert quotes. Write a 2,000-word SEO optimized blog post with internal links and a call to action for a home renovation affiliate program. Save it as a Google Doc and share the link with me. Different task, same system. See that? It's researching real trends from live websites right now, pulling actual statistics, writing a full long-form article with real data, not generic AI filler, and saving it directly to Google Docs as a finished, formatted document. Freelance writers charge $200 to $500 for a single article like this. You could post one every day on your niche site and build a real passive income stream, or sell them on Fiverr for $150 to $300 each. Small businesses, real estate agents, and home service companies are desperate for this kind of content. They'll pay you monthly to keep it coming. Now, here's the question everyone asks. Okay, the output is amazing, but where do I find clients who will pay for this? Watch. Find 20 real estate agencies in Denver, Colorado. Check each one's website for SEO problem, slow page loading, missing blog content, and no social media presence. Create a spreadsheet with their name, phone, email, website, and every issue you found. Then draft a personalized cold email for each one explaining exactly how you can solve their problems. Look at this. It's visiting each agency's website right now, checking their SEO, testing their page speed, looking for missing content, compiling everything into a Google Sheet with exactly what's wrong. 20 potential clients, each one with their specific problems identified, and personalized outreach emails already drafted and ready to send. Dentists, lawyers, chiropractors, plumbers, real estate agents. Every local business has these problems, and they're already paying someone $500 to $2,000 a month to fix them. That someone could be you. Run this once a week for different niches in different cities, and you'll have more leads than you can handle. Your OpenClaw finds the clients. Your OpenClaw does the work. You collect the payments. All of that is powered by 15 pre-installed skills: browser control, Gmail, Google Docs and Sheets, PDF Creator, Calendar, SEO Research, Social Monitor, cron jobs, webhooks, voice agent, and more. All connected, all active. You don't configure a single one. But InstantlyClaw doesn't stop there. let me show you the autopilot system. I said this cron job last week. Every Monday at 7 a.m., my OpenClaw checks my top 5 competitors, pulls any changes to their pricing or features, and delivers a summary report straight to my Telegram. I don't touch anything. It just shows up every Monday morning. Creating a new one takes 30 seconds. Pick a schedule. Describe the task, and your OpenClaw handles the rest. Imagine scheduling a lead generation sweep every week that finds new local businesses with website problems and emails them automatically. Doctors' offices, dental practices, law firms, salons, gyms, fresh prospects delivered to your inbox every single week without you lifting a finger. That's a business running itself. Now, those are just 3 examples. Here's what InstantlyClaw users are building right now. Client outreach campaigns, find local businesses, write pitches, send emails with proposals, sell to agencies, consultants, and local businesses. $500 to $1,500 per campaign. SEO, content production, blog posts, articles, and landing pages with real research. Sell to small businesses, real estate agents, and e-commerce stores, or sell on Fiverr and Upwork. $150 to $500 per post. Front desk and scheduling automation. Appointment reminders, follow-ups, and new patient outreach for doctors, dentists, and chiropractors. They're already paying $1,000 to $3,000 a month for this. Competitor intelligence reports, full breakdowns of pricing, features, and market gaps. Sell to business owners and marketing teams, $500 to $1,500 per report. Automated lead generation, weekly prospect lists with contact info and personalized outreach. Sell as a monthly service to agencies, $500 to $1,000 per month recurring. Professional proposals and reports, branded PDFs generated and delivered. Lawyers, accountants, and financial advisors pay $200 to $500 for these kinds of documents. Every one of these is something real businesses are paying for right now. Not internet marketing businesses, real local businesses, doctors, lawyers, restaurants, real estate agencies. Package any of these as a service and you've got yourself a real business. Plus, you're not just getting the software and figuring it out alone. You're getting the exact playbook for turning your OpenClaw into a real income stream. Our included training shows you how to package AI agent services, how to find local businesses who will pay for this, how to price your deliverables, and how to land your first paying client within the first week. Think of it as a paint-by-number system for building an AI services business. On top of that, 10 ready-made business prompt packs with tested prompts and pricing for the most profitable niches, including prompts specifically designed for medical offices, law firms, real estate, restaurants, and more. A commercial rights certificate, private community access, and a first client in 7 days action blueprint. So you're collecting real payments within your first week. Now let's put this in perspective. Setting up OpenClaw yourself means fighting with Docker, renting a VPS, configuring APIs, and spending an entire weekend just trying to get it running. Most people give up before they finish. Managed hosting wrappers charge $10 to $30 per month for a blank install with nothing configured. That's $120 to $360 a year for an empty shell you still have to figure out. Hiring someone to build a custom AI agent system, that's $5,000 to $100,000 depending on what you need. InstantlyClaw gives you the fully hosted system with 15 connected skills, 9 pre-built AI agents, 12 months of cloud hosting, 2 months of free API credits, commercial rights, the complete training, and all the bonuses. All of that for just $37. One time, not $37 a month, not $37 a year, $37 once, and everything you just saw is yours. Now there's far more to what InstantlyClaw can do, but by now I think you get the picture. Not only is InstantlyClaw the easiest way to get OpenClaw up and running by far, it's really a complete business system. Agentic AI is the biggest shift in technology since social media. Doctors are automating their practices with it. Law firms are replacing $5,000 a month paralegals with it. Agencies are scaling to 6 figures with it. The people who move on this now are the ones who build real businesses around it. And there is nothing else out there that gives you a team of AI employees that browse real websites, send real emails, create real documents, find real clients, and run your operations 24/7. All deployed and working in 60 seconds. While everyone else is still watching tutorials, you'll already be delivering real work to real clients and collecting real payments. Click the button below to get access now.
There are a few optional upgrades to help you scale faster. The first upgrade is the DFY Niche Business Packs for $197. This gives you 90 specific agent profiles for niches like real estate and e-commerce. The second is the Automation Vault for $127, which includes 25 ready-to-go workflows. There is also an unlimited version for $67 a year and an agency license for $197 if you want to manage clients under your own brand. However, if you want everything, the Fast Pass bundle at $297 is the best value because it gives you all the upgrades for over 50% off. If you pick up InstantlyClaw through the link in the description, I've put together an exclusive bonus stock to help you get results faster. First, you get the Client Extractor software to find local businesses that need your help. Second, I'm including the Lead Fusion Elite tool to help you grab and manage subscribers. Third, I am including Soci Ultima, an all-in-one tool to boost your traffic from social media. Fourth is the WP Swift Page plugin to make sure your AI-generated content loads instantly. Fifth, I'm adding the Pin Marketer tool to automate your Pinterest traffic. Sixth is the Article Analyzer to ensure your content is perfectly optimized for search engines. Seventh is the Lead Book Generator to sync your Facebook leads with your email list. Eighth, you get the Auto Support Bot to add live chat to your sites. Ninth is the Keyword Research Ninja 2.0 to find the most profitable niches. And 10th, you get the 100 ready-made niche blogs pack to give you a head start with content. Remember, these bonuses are only available through the App Verdict link below. The AI Agent Gold Rush is happening right now, and the gap between the people making money and the people struggling is implementation. InstantlyClaw closes that gap, but you have to act fast. The early bird discount is ending, and the price increases shortly. Plus, my exclusive bonus stack is limited to the first 25 buyers to ensure the market doesn't get saturated. Click the link in the description right now to lock in your access and all 10 bonuses before they expire. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest tech deep dives. Once you complete your purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you inside the Warrior Plus access area. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.